Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Note 6 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can mirror navigation buttons in Redmi Note 6 Pro smartphone. See here, this is back button which is available on the right hand side. This is home button. This is recenter button which is available in the left side of your phone. If you want to reverse this setting, just go to the settings of your phone and click on full screen display and turn off this mirror buttons. Now the navigation settings has been changed. See here, this is home button and this is back button which is available in the left side now, which is usually on the right hand side. So when pressing home button, it goes to the home, and this is recent tab. Recent tab comes to the right side of your phone. So if you want to reverse again, just go to the same settings and turn on mirror buttons. Now the positions are restored. Back button is available on the right hand side. So in this way you can easily mirror your navigation keys. If you want full screen gesture mode, just click here and the navigation keys are hidden now. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.